Hey everyone, it's Lee Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at the second section here, which is slope. So questions involving slope. So let's jump right into it. By the way, this is A6. So let's go. Alright, so first question here. We want to get this equation, which is currently in standard form, into slope-intercept form. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to want to first subtract 3x from both sides, and then we're going to get 5y equals negative 3x minus 7. It's good to put the coefficient and the x value right next to the equal sign so we get close to the y equals mx plus b form. So now divide both sides by 5, and remember y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. Now we're going to do some division here, and we get y equals negative 3/5 x minus 7 over 5, and I just realized that that's a little confusing because you want the negative to be included. So our slope is negative 3/5. So that's actually important. So remember that if it's a negative in front, a negative 3/5, it really matters what that coefficient is. Alright, so now we're looking at a different sort of question where we're going to remember rise over run. So we're going to rise, or in this case fall, by 1, going down 1, and then we go over 6. And we're looking for areas where it perfectly crosses the two lines, so the y and the x. So the line goes straight through right here. So in this case, see, this doesn't go straight through. We want where it crosses the grid perfectly. Alright, on to the next one. Yep, our answer is negative 1/6. So now we're looking at question 3. So we go up 1 and over 4, and we're looking for spots where it perfectly crosses the grid. So see right there it perfectly crosses, and then again over here it perfectly crosses. So up 1 over 4. We're connecting the dots here. Alright, now we're looking at another question like question 1. So we're going to start we want to get it in terms of y equals mx plus b. So we're going to subtract 1/8 x from both sides, and we got 3y equals negative 1/8 x plus 3. And now we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we get y equals negative 1 over 24 x plus 2 plus 1. Geez. Okay, now remember that I made this mistake in the last one too. We want to include, if there's a negative in front, we want to include that in our slope because it's really important. You won't get the right answer. So there we go. Our answer is B. So let's do a little summary here. So remember that this is a slope of 0. This is undefined. This is positive. This is negative. Remember your m. Whatever's next to the x when you have it solved for y is your slope. And the b is the y-intercept. And then if you have it in standard form, you can skip a few steps and get negative a over b as your slope, and c over b as your y-intercept. That can save you some time if you don't want to solve it out. Anyway, that's all I got, and thanks for tuning in. Thanks.